My name is Natalie, aka SMGLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So for today's video, I'll be unboxing the Boxyluxe box for this month, and this month is September, which is my birthday month, and my birthday just passed. That's why I have these nails on, because I wanted to be fancy for my 25th, and I decided to put long nails on, which I don't know why. I know I can't stand long nails. Like this is too long for me. Like I can't do a lot of things. Like I can, but it just makes it harder. So as soon as I got them, I wanted to take them off, but they cost too much. They cost too much, so I'm stuck with them for at least another week. But anyways, let me stop rambling. If you guys are interested on what I got this month, and let me just tell you guys, I ain't too happy, but it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Anyways, so yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. Say hi to Willow, guys. She loves making her, you know, appearance every now and then. Okay guys, so let's just get started. This box is super heavy, guys. Like when I got it in the mail, I was like, whoa. I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy, but when you guys find out what's inside this box, you're gonna be like, wow. Wow. Just like I was. All right, this month's theme is BoxyCharm Glam Vibes Only, and I got the variation 63. So the first thing that I'm gonna try out is this, and this is the 111, which is, I think, 111 skin. Yeah, 111 skin, Harley St. London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and I am going to try this out because, guys, this retails for $135. Let's read the claims, shall we? It says, this is the ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. That's all it says, guys. That's all it says. Okay, so there's 5 masks in this box. I believe that $135 for 5 masks is ridiculous. Like, crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna put it on. Okay. Oh my god. So after the only struggle, I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes. It says leave on for 20 minutes and then remove the mask and let the skin absorb the remaining essence by gently patting the skin. So I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been 20 minutes already, and I'm just going to take the mask off. Okay, so I'm now going to pat my skin as it says to do. Okay, so moving on to the next thing in the box, which is this. This is the Byroe tomato serum. So the insert card states that this is a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides. It transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. So I'm gonna use this on top of the mask because why not? I also want to use this, and this actually retails for $150. 150. another expensive product. Like, what? I know I'm not gonna repurchase this, guys. This is way too much. Way too much. But I'm glad that I got it in the box. I mean, yeah. So it looks like this. And, ooh, this is interesting. It says, apply a few drops to the face and neck morning and night, and it can be used daily. Ooh, okay, this is luxurious packaging. It has like a little, you know, top thingy, like pusher. I don't know how to say this. What is this called? Like a little, you guys know what I'm saying. Like you could press this down. So I'm gonna use a little bit. I don't think it smells like anything. The only thing I really smell is that face mask, because the smell of the face mask was pretty strong. Okay. Okay. My skin is looking glowy. Skin is looking healthy. I do have, you know, dark marks, but what's new, guys? What is new? So moving on to the next thing in the box, which is this. This is the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essential 12-piece Cruelty-Free brush set. Now, it's weird how it has this little warning right here. It says, this product may contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. I wonder why it says that. The brushes look like this. And guys, you already know I'm always down for some brushes. So I'm gonna use these brushes while I do my makeup. And yeah, let's see how it goes. This retails for $49. So moving on to the next thing in the box, which is this. This is the Eloise The Queen palette, and the inside looks like this, which is cool. I'm gonna try this palette out, and you guys already know I'm going to point and apply for the eyeshadow, and then I'll be back to do my base. Okay guys, so I am back. I did the rest of my eyes. I like how it's looking. And now it's time for highlight. And for highlight, I got the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in the shade Afternoon Snack and Mo Money. It looks like these. I'm gonna use this brush. This is the P30. And I'm gonna go in with Afternoon Snack first. Now I'm gonna go in with Mo Money. Did I say Mo Money before? It's Mo Honey, not Mo Money. My bad. Woo! I like that. I like that. It just intensifies this highlighter. Okay, so the last thing that I'm gonna try, oh wait, I forgot to tell you guys how much this cost. So the Fenty Beauty highlighter retails for $36, which I would probably buy this myself because I love Fenty Beauty. So the next thing that I'm going to try out is this Persona lip gloss, and I have the shade Toffee. So this lip gloss retails for $16, but I am going to put a lip liner first and then I'll put this on top. Okay guys, so I have two more things in the box this month, and one of the things is this. This is the Keratherapy Deep Conditioning Mask, and this is for your hair. It's a hair mask, and this retails for $24, and the claims are: it's an intense, nourishing, and hydrating treatment. It revives hair that has been dried or damaged by environmental or styling stresses. That smells good. Definitely. That smells good. It smells like luxurious hair product. It doesn't smell fruity. It smells like more perfumey than fruity, you know? And the last thing in the box is this. And I was a little confused. I'm like, what the hell? This is so heavy. So let me tell you guys what this is. This is a weighted sleeping mask. Now, I was confused as to why the box was so heavy, and then I found out that this was in the box. This retails for $40. By the way, guys, these brushes were not it. Okay, I know I say I love receiving brushes and stuff, but these were kind of hard to work with. Like, they're just too flimsy and weird. I'm not a fan of those brushes. But yeah. So yeah, guys, that completes this month's box. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't really like my box this month, even though, you know, I liked the way my makeup turned out. I just wasn't excited for it. I went on BoxyCharm's Instagram and I saw a couple things that were gonna be in this month's box, and I got excited for a lot of stuff that I did not receive. So it was kind of like a letdown for me. I mean, it is what it is. The total of this month's box is $496. That is $496. That's a lot. But I also wanted to tell you guys that I did cancel my Boxyluxe subscription box, so I will no longer be getting, you know, the Boxyluxe box every 3 months. I'll just be getting the regular basic BoxyCharm box. There's two reasons. One, BoxyCharm has been hit or miss, and I was really over it. I was thinking about canceling the whole thing, but I actually like doing my monthly BoxyCharm unboxing videos. So yeah, and two, I am trying to save, so that's also why I canceled my subscription. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.